Suppose you purchase a car worth $25,000 and you make a down payment of $5,000 and decide to repay the rest with month-end payments of $350 and a final buyout of $7,500 due the date of the final payment. Assuming that we have an interest rate of 5.25% compounded quarterly, how many payments do we actually make? Let's begin with the $25,000 worth of the car. We're actually going to make a down payment today of $5,000. So that means that we technically have taken out a loan of $20,000. What we're going to do here is we're going to take the $20,000, consider it a positive, either because we now have the car, which has a fair market value of $20,000 right now, less that down payment, or we've borrowed money from the bank in order to finance the car. So we're going to take that PV to be positive. Our payments are going to be $350, and those payments happen at the end of every month. So our payment frequency should be 12. Looking at our interest rate, we have an interest rate of 5.25% compounded quarterly. So the last thing we need to do is to determine how to deal with this final buyout. This final buyout is going to go in as a future value, and it's going to be how much is going to be left owing on this particular annuity. With our calculator set into N mode, we should be ready to go. So let's begin by programming our 5.25 in for the interest rate, and sliding into that submenu, let's take 12 for PY and 4 for CY. I'm going to go ahead and quit the submenu. We're going to put in the $20,000 here for our principal amount, our payments of $350 negative, as well as our final buyout amount of $7,500, and again putting that in as negative. Let's compute N, and N comes out to be about 43.3. So what we're going to do is we're going to round that up so that the total number of payments that we need to make over the term of this particular payment stream is going to be 44.